Page 19, Five Note Sonatina. Okay. Basically, you're in a C position and you're using these 5 notes. I guess that's the 5 notes they're referring to. Sonatina is like a short sonata. This here is just 1 page long. Okay. And you're playing the same notes in both hands at the same time. So I'm going to take both hands together here. It's just the rhythm. Lots of eighth notes. 4/4 time, no sharps or flats. Did I cover all that junk? We got accidentals. We'll talk about those. So at the beginning, the right hand is here, and the left hand is here. And it's just 1, 2, 1 and 2. If you have to do this one hand at a time till you get it, that's fine. I'm just trying to cut the video a little shorter and taking both hands together since both hands are playing the same notes. Last measure, the first line. Second line, 1 and 2. 1 and 2 and 3. Third line, look out. We have F sharps. The next measure, they're F naturals. They don't have to give you a natural sign there, because it's an F natural anyway, because that F sharp in the previous measure is only good for that measure. However, it's good to be clear, so if you're arranging music or whatever, if there's any possibility the reader might misinterpret what you want, then put in the sign. Here, the natural signs just make it clear they're F naturals. There's no harm in them, so that's fine. 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2. For the most part, that's the piece. We can add the articulation. The slurs, it's the same in both hands. It's like going on, although don't mess up the beat. Just cut the note a little bit short so you can lift up. Don't cut it real short, just a little short. Then the second line, second measure, we start getting staccatos. Just light wrist staccato here. I'm just doing this with the wrist here. And here you pretty much have to come up and down on the keys. You don't have time to put your hand on the keys first before you do the staccato. You got to do that. Don't come way up. Keep it pretty close to the keys. And back to the legato. Till you get down to the last line, we get staccatos again. So, then you add the dynamics. Both hands together, it's the same. Loud, whatever you think loud is. Loud, not really loud, just loud. And then soft, you're echoing that. And loud, soft. Now we're going to gradually go back up to loud for the next line. Save most of that getting louder toward the end of the measure. This is the second line, last measure, where you're crescendoing. Start as soft. You can come up, and then I would suggest more in the last 2 beats. That's really where the crescendo is. Like that, so you gradually get it. If you start crescendoing too soon, you'll be loud by the 3rd beat. That's too soon. We don't want to be loud to the next line. So you have to plan it out. 3rd line, you're loud. Soft. And then now we're back to loud like we were at the beginning. So 4th, speed-wise, we're back to this allegretto thing. Between moderato and allegro. And it's the feel of it. And what you can accurately play. So these 8th notes got to be even and controlled. So it's not my allegretto, it's your allegretto, whatever. really mean to play it for you, but I kind of like the piece, and when I get it started, I don't want to quit. But that's my impression of it. Again, please don't copy me. Learn it well enough that you can feel it. You don't have to look at the keys to play it. You know where everything is. And you get into the music and start feeling, because you can get a little louder and softer. You can put in little accents here and there as you feel it. Hear it? I tend to get a little louder and softer in there. I get a little louder, and then I come back down. So I get a little louder and softer. You have to feel this music to really get into it. Otherwise, you're just playing note, 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 note. Ugh. So get into it. I like to play it with you very slowly to double check the notes and the rhythms. Now I'm going to do the dynamics. I'll give us 4 counts, and let's do it together slowly. 1, 2, ready, go. And 1, and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and